It's time now for our cooking segment here on Pure Nebraska. I look forward to this every week. I wish you guys were in the studio, though, so I could sample the good food. I am here with Paula Peterson from the Waverly area. Always good to see you, Paula.
It's good to see you too. I'm looking forward to when we can come back into the studio as well.
Today you are making a dish that is a family favorite. It's been passed on to you from your stepmom.
We're making raisin rice pudding. It's not quite the way Joyce made it, but it works for us. It's very, very simple. A half a cup of rice, a half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. I'm still never real clear on that one.
I'm never either. It's like you actually pinch it.
I know. A half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon, depending on how much you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then you just pour in 4.5 cups of milk. Now this takes 2 hours to bake. You just let it sit there and do its thing and stir it about every half hour. And then the last half hour, you can add raisins. Now, not all my family members like raisins. So you can always add dried cherries or cranberries to it if you don't feel like the raisins, or you can just leave it without raisins. I like raisins, so on cooking, I put raisins in it.
I'm like one of your other family members where I like raisins, but just out of the box. I don't like them. So I would use one of those other items like the cranberries or the cherries.
And I would think you could use dried like blueberries. That would be good too. It keeps really well. And I honestly, it's one of those desserts that 2 days later, I think it's even better.
You could warm it up or eat it cold, I assume.
You can do it either way. Tom, my husband, he likes to stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Tom claims you could put ice cream on it, but I'm not sure.
Ice cream works on anything, doesn't it?
That's his theory in life.
All right, Paul, we do have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if people want to try it for themselves. So thank you so much for sharing it today.